Stop scrolling! This changes everything for anyone using Google Flow. They just added one of the most requested features, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. Frustrated by watermarks on AI videos? You'll love this new update. Google Flow lets you remove the visible watermark. Here is exactly how to find and activate it. Before I show you how to enable it, let me explain why this is such a big deal. For months, creators have been asking for a way to cleaner videos without the visible watermark. So when I noticed this new option, I knew I had to share it with you immediately. Now, let me show you exactly where to find it. As soon as you open Google Flow, go to your project dashboard. Select the project you want to work on. Look for the export or download settings.
If your account has received the update, you'll see the new option that allows you to turn off the visible watermark. Simply enable the option, continue with your export, and your video will be generated without the visible watermark. For mobile phones, just click on your profile. You will see the watermark on and off option. That's all.
If you don't see the option yet, don't panic. Updates like this are often released gradually, so some creators get access before others. Make sure your account is updated, keep checking regularly, and you'll likely receive it soon. I will also keep this community updated whenever Google Flow releases new features, hidden tools, or workflow improvements that can help you create better AI videos. So if you're serious about making money with AI content, building a YouTube channel, or creating professional videos with your phone or computer, you're in the right place. Now let me know in the comments, have you received this feature already or are you still waiting for the update? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week in the next AI tutorial.